Here's why former Lincoln County prosecutor Leah Askey Womack, now Cheney, was disqualified from representing someone as a criminal defense attorney by a judge. My name is Paige Sparks. I'm a local lawyer, and this gets a little complicated, but I know you can follow me. Let's go. For a little background information, Leah Askey Womack, who now goes by Leah Cheney, she's rebranded with her married name, is the former prosecutor from Lincoln County. She was involved in the investigation during the Betsy Faria murder trials. There was one trial which led to the wrongful conviction of her husband, Russ Faria, which was later thrown out. He got a lot of money in a settlement because he was wrongly convicted. One of the detectives who was related to that wrongful conviction allegedly lied about the existence of evidence, and he is now being tried for several counts, including 2 counts of perjury, 1 count of stalking, and 1 count of harassment. She was trying to represent him as the defense attorney now. Former Lincoln County Police Captain Mike Merkel is on trial for these counts. The first 2 counts involve him allegedly lying about the existence of evidence. During the trial that led to the wrongful conviction of Russ Faria, he allegedly lied and said that the camera he used to collect evidence of the crime scene malfunctioned. Later, these photographs that allegedly didn't exist were sent to Joel Schwartz, who was the defense attorney for Russ Faria. That evidence that was wrongfully concealed led to that conviction being overturned. The photographs did exist, and they didn't show blood at the murder scene, so Mike Merkel apparently just didn't want to produce them and lied that the camera wasn't working. He's also charged with stalking and harassing a Lincoln County detective, sending anonymous texts from a burner phone saying he was being watched, he's being videotaped, and trying to impede on that investigation. So for the Mike Merkel case that's going on, Leah Askey, Womack, Cheney, whatever the heck her name is, was trying to represent him as the defense attorney, but the prosecutors moved to disqualify her. We have a rule 4-3.7, which says a lawyer cannot serve as an advocate in a case, meaning they can't represent someone if they may be called as a witness. Because Leah was so heavily involved with these underlying trials and worked on the investigation together with Mike Merkel, she's clearly going to be a fact witness, so she should be disqualified. That's what the prosecutor was saying. And I agree. And so did the judge, because he granted the motion to disqualify her, finding that she would be a likely fact witness because of her involvement with those cases. This is like conflict of interest lawyering 101 you learn your first day of law school. There's a clear conflict that existed. He's instead being represented by Joel Eisenstein. Now that she's disqualified, she can no longer represent Mike Merkel in court. Trial for this is currently scheduled in September 2027. Let me know if you want me to do a detailed video about the underlying case with Pamela Hupp, the wrongful conviction of Russ Faria. It is crazy, you guys. It's crazy. I'm going to have the case information and number in the caption, and as always, comments, let me know what you think.